is going to a customer in Port Harcourt. This one is called Atouch KD56. It comes with a free keyboard. The specification is KD56. The battery is 8000 mAh. The screen size is 8 inches, and it comes with a free watercolor at the back, the keyboard inside, and some other free gifts. So join me, let's unbox them. So we'll be starting with this first. Okay, so this is the watercolor it comes with. Okay. So we have it in pink. She ordered for 2. We have it in pink and orange. So this is it. It comes with a stand at the back. This is it. Screen protector. A strap. Earpiece and Type-C cord to charge. Sticker. The adapter. Certificate of conformity. So this is the keyboard it comes with. Wireless keyboard. Sticker. The manual and the whistle. So this is the tab. Let me turn it on so you can see how it works, how it looks. This is the tab. Without the pouch. Comes with the quad camera at the back, one in the front. So this is it. So this is the tab. We installed some cartoons there, and we have some pre-installed games and cartoons there. So this is it.